Need to understand how to export your business to Mexico? You must understand how to deal with Mexican law, and you can achieve that in only 4 steps with our legal module from our CAMEX program. First, to do business in Mexico, you must find the right lawyers for legal and commercial advice. We'll help you during this crucial process and point you in the right direction. Second, to have a profitable expansion, you must protect your intellectual property. We'll help you step by step with the proper registration of your intellectual property under Mexican laws. Third, we'll help you ensure that your company meets all the legal requirements and certifications to do business in Mexico. And lastly, when it comes to mitigating risks, we'll guide you through the initial drafting of the best contracts for your company. After this, your company will be prepared to do business in Mexico, and your intellectual property will be entirely protected. To learn more about how our CAMEX program can help you do business in Mexico, don't forget to sign up for our upcoming webinar, where our experts will discuss specific scenarios and successful case studies.